The Ferrari SF90 Stradale stands in front of us like a piece of living art, a machine built not just for speed but for an experience that hits every sense at once. From the moment you walk around it, the body looks like it's sculpted by the wind itself. Every curve has purpose, every line is sharpened for performance. The low stance, the aggressive front, and the narrow LED headlights give it a focused, almost predatory look. Air channels cut through the body, feeding the hybrid powertrain and keeping the car pinned to the asphalt. The rear is where the SF90 really flexes its identity, with quad exhaust tips, futuristic taillights, and the iconic Ferrari curves blending into a diffuser built like racing armor. Even when it's standing still, it looks like it's breaking the air. Coming closer, the carbon fiber details begin to pop. The sculpted side mirrors, the deep shoulder lines, and the precise symmetry remind you that Ferrari doesn't simply build cars, they engineer emotion. The wheels, light and performance-tuned, sit tight under the arches. Behind them, massive carbon ceramic brakes wait to do their job when the SF90 unleashes its true character. Open the door and the entire mood changes. The interior feels like stepping into a cockpit designed for a pilot, not a driver. Everything is sharp, driver-focused, and futuristic. The moment you sit inside, the steering wheel becomes the heart of the experience. Touch controls, drive mode selectors, and the signature Ferrari engine start button all sit within a thumb's reach. It's a space built for one thing only: control. The fully digital instrument cluster curves around your vision, feeding you speed, battery status, hybrid modes, and performance metrics in real time, while ambient lighting glows softly off the carbon fiber trims. The seats hug you with a firm grip, lightweight yet luxurious, wrapped in premium leather with stitching that feels tailored by hand. The cabin blends racing inspiration with everyday refinement. The metallic paddle shifters, floating center console, and minimalistic button layout keep everything clean and focused. Even the air vents look engineered rather than designed. Every inch of the interior whispers Ferrari's obsession with perfection. But the magic truly begins when you fire up the engine. The SF90 Stradale is powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 combined with 3 electric motors, producing a jaw-dropping 986 horsepower. This isn't just fast, it redefines fast. The hybrid system doesn't just add power, it sharpens every movement. Instant electric torque gives the SF90 a punch from the very first millimeter of throttle. The V8 then roars alive, pushing the car forward like a controlled explosion. From 0 to 100 km per hour in around 2.5 seconds, and the acceleration feels like reality bending around you. The handling is razor sharp. The all-wheel drive system grips the road as if it's reading your mind. The steering feels surgical, giving you precision at every corner. The hybrid setup balances performance and efficiency, letting you glide silently in electric mode or unleash the full fury of the V8 when the road opens up. As the car moves, the aerodynamics come alive, active wings, cooling systems, and airflow channels constantly adjusting to keep you stable, planted, and confident.